Welcome this video. Create a centrability oasis. The wood palette vegetable gardening. In the realm of centrability, gardening work create made functionally. The wood palette vegetable gardening stood out as a testament to innovation and issue consciousness. Utilizing discussion wood palette to grow fresh product is not just a trying but also providing solved of Arabic walled smart space gardening and even one look to read their environment footprint, explored the in and out of set up a wood palette vegetable gardening, its benefit and how you can going stood out your own gardening journey. Cost effect and explode or even free it's from look business or recycle center that then provide a read make stood the need of add gardening stood environment benefit pattern rate wash and promoting sustainability by growing your own vegetable relation or stone product which often innovation package and transporting customizable and creating pattern gardening offer endless possibility for gardening of company you can pin trading theme and sub your aesthetic make theme both functional and wedding appear stood up your wood palette gardening material need wood palette then a hand read landscape water can and cost step by step set palette your plants your vegetable depend on the deep and earth set plants sleep account such as gardening of earth vegetable type consider plants cost that bay back you can plants and maximize sunlight water and main interest water your plants gardening that's all remember but not watering lines most plant gardening and reject water as need